Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin nails our target precisely. Why clear skies are ahead and the boom phase is about to begin. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why the boom phase is about to happen and price could likely go up another $10,000 in the next couple months. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, helps out so much. Join us on Twitter at @Crypto where we share all of today's charts. And let's get started. Fear and greed at 79, bumping up dramatically from yesterday's 70. We are now in extreme greed for the first time in quite a while. The overall market up 4% today, breaking $50,000. Bitcoin right now at 50,096, Ethereum at 2651, Solana 114, BNB 326, XRP 52 cents, Cardano 55 cents, Avalanche $41, and Chainlink $20. And Bitcoin, after this inverse head and shoulders, hits the exact target of $50,000. Booyah! Now, this is very important because we have broken out of the trend long downtrend, which was at 48,155, broken above there, and now sitting above that territory. Should we close above there, that would be really good for Bitcoin. And if we take a look at the Bitcoin profitable days, aside from the people who bought at the absolute top, and I do know a few of them last cycle, everybody else is in profit at this time. It feels good to be out of the red and into the green. Now, Bitcoin price breaking those levels we talked about just moments ago, it does appear like it is all clear skies from this point out. And this gives us a few reasons why Bitcoin could actually reach a new all-time high pre-halving. First, all the leverage has been washed out, options open interest is down, and future funding rates are still positive. Next, and one of the biggest things, is ETFs continue to outpace supply by at least 2 to 1, and the halving is still months away. And if we take a look at this gray bar right here, only 10% of Bitcoin's volume has moved at prices above the current level. If Bitcoin breaches 48.2 and it has $50,000, there is scant overhead resistance. Grab your popcorn because things are about to get exciting. If we take a look at ETF's growth rate, look at this, 10,000 Bitcoin net inflow to ETFs, already huge growth right now. People are eating up ETFs at the moment. And do you remember how much the supply increased? Oh wait, no, it decreases by half in 2 months of a fixed supply asset that there is only ever 21 million of. Oh my goodness, this is all happening. Things are about to go bananas. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin's production cost, the electrical cost to produce 1 Bitcoin today is at $31,600. However, in 63 days, the date of the halving in April, that price doubles. That means in 2 months, the price to produce 1 Bitcoin will be $63,200, making it likely that Bitcoin price could equal those levels within about 2 months, another $10,000 up in 2 months. And if we take a look, turns out all of Bitcoin's upside is around the halvings. If we take a look at Bitcoin for 2 years around the halving, 6 months before to a year and a half afterwards, that would be this green line right here. The other 2 years, not around the halving, look at that, not great. So we are in the best part of owning Bitcoin right now. And then you probably want to sell by October of next year if you want the best gains. Now, should there be a surprise? No. The Bollinger Bands with profile had a blue line signaling right here, very tight and above the 21 EMA. And when that happens, price goes up, could likely continue going up. This is just the start of something big, because if we take a look at the vortex indicator right here, has broken above, and each time it does break from red to green, it flips. This is parabolic territory. We are entering parabolic territory right now. This is just the first little blip in the radar. Don't even have a new all-time high. Things are about to get crazy. As a matter of fact, it may seem like Bitcoin is echoing what happened in 2020 and 2021 back here. Almost par for the course when we take a look at everything where we are right now. Yeah, a little bit of sideways consolidation right here. But what happens after that? Massive rally upwards, still likely headed to new highs for Bitcoin. Now, where could we be headed in terms of short-term price? Well, if we take a look at the upper band, true market band, and lower band, Bitcoin generally stays around blue line during bull cycles, but it does peak out above the red line, and the red line goes up dramatically when we start to hit that peak. Now, if we take a look down here at the histogram down on the bottom, you can see based on the peaks and how accentuated that is back there, right now, we are just getting started. So still, my opinion, still very, very early. We're about to enter the boom phase for Bitcoin, breaking out of the green triangle get ready phase into boom phase where prices move up dramatically. And the best news is that based on this monthly RSI chart, it would likely last until at least July of 2025. So the next year and change should be very, very nice. This has buy signals and sell signals on this RSI. In 2016, 2017, it took 22 months. Here it took 21 months in 2019, 2021 until the top. And should we continue that same pattern, it would be 20 months, putting us at a top at July 2025. Things are about to get really excited. Buckle your seatbelts. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. Come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.